Who's got a key? Who's got a key? You got a key, right? Come over here, man. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Come on, get your keys out, everybody, keys.
2 more keys. Oh, where's the guy that had to go back to Milton Keynes? Who's representing him?
I've got his key.
Oh, so you know represent him.
Yeah.
A round of applause. All right. First of all, can you give a round of applause to Cattle and Smoke? A big round of applause to Cafe Le Blanche. A big round of applause to Bombay Bites. A big round of applause, a big jazakallah to Ruben. A big round of applause, big jazakallah to Marhaba. Jazakallah to Dippers, guys. Alhamdulillah. Make some noise. Oh. Just a big drop there, right? For all the people that are runners up for the keys, they get a free burger at Dippers. Yeah? Okay. So we got, let's see, what's the name of brother? His name, is he still eating his marhaba box? Alright. Yeah, Yusuf. Yeah. What's the name of brother? Arafat. What's the name? Faisal. What's the name? Bilal. Shahad. MashaAllah. Your name, brother? I missed you there. Tanvir. MashaAllah. Your name, young man? Rian. Your name? Your name? Okay. So we bring the safe out, guys. Yeah. Make some noise.
Bro,
okay. Right, listen, be careful. The guy from Grubbin said he's going to run away with it.
You want to bolt that down, bro.
Okay.
Bolt it down.
Right, let's get the first brother up to try his key. Right, what's your name? What's your name? Look at camera. Right, Bismillah.
Wait. Before you do it, bro, quickly, pray dua quickly.
Bismillah, go on. Is it him? Oh!
Nah.
I
had something unlocked there. Oh, yeah.
You better go down.
Nah, it's not the key, bro. No. It's not the key. It's not the key, bro. Unlucky. Brother, burger from Dippers, alright? Go there right now. Alright. Arafat, come on, bro.
Your coach. Give us some advice, man. Give some advice to the people. What should you do with the money, man?
Fight me for it.
Yo, somebody help this lad open, man. Right, if you win, what are you going to do with it?
I'm going to take my kids out.
Bismillah.
You know when someone...
Oh! Come on.
Come on. Bismillah.
Oh, man. Unlucky. Burger from Dippers. I've got vouchers for you as well, my brother, yeah? Bismillah.
Probably. Not that one,
Yeah, don't break it inside the...
I don't think that's the one. Let me try it. Give me that.
He's going to take half your money, mate, if it works.
No, this is not the one. This
Ah.
is not the one, my brother. Free bag at Dippers.
Ah, unlucky, lad, unlucky. Bismillah. Alright, guys, what's your name, young man?
No.
Young man. Right, Bismillah, let's go. What's your name? Come on, let's go. You got it? Is it? Oh, unlucky, lad. Make sure you get a free burger and the vouchers, alright? Okay? Come on, lads. Come on. Wrong competition, lads. Wrong competition. Come on. Is it?
Yeah, let me give it a go.
But I think the lock's faulty, bro.
Yes, it's faulty. Nah. Oh, young man, come on. You got.
Yeah.
No. Bro, it's not the bro. Wait, you got one as well? Yeah, come forward, man. Come on.
No, that's it.
What?
You don't go in.
Ah, man. Right, so who we got left? Wait, alright, got 1 and 2 left, yeah?
Go on.
Right,
Brother Rizwan from Milton Keynes.
Brother Rizwan, right, go on. Go on, Brother Rizwan.
Let's go.
Brother Rizwan from Milton Keynes, did you win?
Sorry, mate.
Right, guys, 2 keys left. One of these guys is guaranteed to take the bag home today. Give him a round of applause quickly, come on, guys.
I'm rooting for Brother Tawheed here, you get me?
Bro, if this doesn't go in.
Whichever way it goes in.
Come on, let's see. Is it left? This bell work, yeah. This bell work. Somebody else hold this camera for me, yeah?
That one.
I'm nervous now. Go on, Bismillah, bro.
Come on, Bismillah.
Bismillah.
£1,000 cash for people.
Yo. You got Mashallah.
Security to go home with you.
Mashallah.
Show everybody what you want.
Yeah.
Show everybody what you
want. Yo, bodyguards.
Right, the first note is black anyway.
Everybody
What do you camera?
MashaAllah.
Any words, brother?
Alhamdulillah. Bro, what are you gonna do? Bro, it always goes to those who deserve it. If you know God works in mysterious ways, yeah.
What am I gonna do? I'm gonna
iPhone 17.
family and things and
He's still making a list.
Inshallah, grow the business, brother, yeah. Tawheed perfumes, yeah.
It's good, yeah?
Alhamdulillah. Very happy. I didn't expect to win it. I literally just bought the food right there and then 10 minutes ago I got the key and
Alhamdulillah, man. Alhamdulillah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward you, man. Keep you blessed, my brother. I see you doing a graft every day, man. Alhamdulillah, man. Yo, a big alhamdulillah for the brother. A big jazakallah. Big round of applause for the brother. Yo, give a big shout, lads.
Bro, shout out to all the businesses involved. Grubbing, Keepers, Marhaba, Bombay Bites, Cattle and Smoke.
Cafe de Blanche. Big shout out to Cafe de Blanche as well. Yeah?
Yeah, Cafe La Blanche, that's what I forget, bro.
Yeah, no, alhamdulillah.
Big jazakallah khair to everybody that supported the effort, that followed the channel. Keep on subscribing. We're going to go big with this, and brothers like that deserve it. At the end of it, they're the ones that are the winners. And all the businesses that got involved and everybody here, big jazakallah khair. What an amazing event. Stay tuned, make sure you follow, subscribe. Go Beard Official.
Inshallah, next time 5K, yeah? Inshallah. Respect, brothers, man. Respect. Yeah.
Genuinely, did you expect to see when you left the house today that you'd be claiming a cash reward of £1,000?
I mean, you saw me just like how long? 20 minutes
20
before.
minutes ago, I was telling you I'm setting up.
Yeah, I heard there's one more key left in it and I was going to buy the food anyway.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah, so I believe in Allah's qadr.
I've been up and down the street for the 4 weeks, and every day I've seen you and I've heard you talking to brothers. Now I'll be with my friends, Allah forgive me, and we'll be talking about football, we'll be talking about cars, we'll be talking about trainers. But every time I walk past you, you're talking about, mashallah, Quran, you're talking about dawah, you're talking about hadith, you're talking about all of these things. Mashallah, man, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward you, man. What a pure heart. I'm overfilled with joy and emotion to know that
It's gone to the
it's
right
gone to a
person,
brother,
innit?
alhamdulillah, who's going to, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala put barakah in it and make it go 10-fold, 100-fold for you, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Jazakallah.
Didn't know you could hear the conversation.
No, bismillah, man. Beautiful, man. Keep it up. Keep that beautiful heart. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala keep you beautiful forever, inshallah. Alhamdulillah. Well happy, man.